are beautiful.
Okay, so this is vlog attempt number 2. Tried to do a vlog this morning, but there's something on the camera lens and it was just picking up is very, very white. I'm not sure what the hell is going on, but it was very annoying. So I need to go and pop and get a fuel, and then gonna go for a bit of a ride. Just gonna quickly get my winter fuel allowance. That's my fuel, which is going to last me the whole winter because I'm not going very far when it's this cold. On the road again. Just can't wait to be on the road again. So yeah, I went to do a vlog this morning, went across to Halfords to go and get an oil filter for the car, and the bloody thing didn't work, so not very happy. But as well, probably just as well, I didn't have the camera on me because it wouldn't have shown up anyway, but when I was walking through the car park, some old woman actually reversed into me as I was walking, clipped the side of me with the side of a car. Obviously didn't see me behind her, maybe it was my fault, although I'm edging on the fact that it was probably her fault. And yeah, it hurt. She just sort of pinged and knocked me, and I think she left with a very dissatisfied look on her face, but really should have seen me, you know. Big blue and white leathered man behind her. Anyway, luckily I wasn't injured, but still would have been entertaining to get it on the GoPro. So I've decided the weather's still not quite raining yet. We've got a big storm due, so I thought I'd come out and do another vlog, just because I'm nice like that. Very tired man there. He must have yawned for 7 seconds, I would say. I know I've said this before, but it's quite good to get on the bike. I've got the car I drive is a Citroen C1, which is a 1 litre beast. So getting on the bike is nice, just to have that a lot more acceleration. So I feel as though I should do a shout out to @2wheeler_, who is the first internet purchaser of one of my new Arctic Ride wristbands, which are available on my website, which I'll put the link up for. £2 they are, so good way to support my my trip into charity. I've remodeled my merchandise page with some, so now it's got, you can just buy straight using PayPal or credit card rather than having to go through the process I had there before. Also, I'm just passing my local Harley Davidson garage, so I thought this was the right time to do a shout out to the BX48er, Bronx, who does some fabulous vlogs on YouTube around New York City. So if you haven't watched them before, check them out because they're very, very interesting. And some nice bikes out there today as well. I don't want to give a shout out to my man Andrew Payne on Patrol, who is an author of some very interesting books. I was lucky enough a couple of months ago in August, Mrs. Arctic Ride, being the fabulous lady that she is, it's my birthday present, bought the collection of Andrew Payne books, which are all about riding a motorcycle light, you know, so only packing the right things. Because I realised that my last trip I took far too much stuff. All things I didn't need, you know. This time it's going to be tent, it's going to be a sleeping bag, camping stove, food, a few change of clothes, wash kit, and that's it. I don't need anything else, you know. I don't quite know where this lady's going. So yeah, so I'll put the link in for Payne's books because they're really good. And he's a funny chap from the US&A. I must tell you a brief story about a trip I did back in 2007. Went around Europe on the bikes with two of my pals, and one of them, Joe Power, his wash kit consisted of bar soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, possibly a roll-on deodorant. That was all. That's all you need though, really, isn't it? Mine was substantially bigger. And the wash kit, woohoo!
I think there's something